In this video you will learn how to change your Spectrum Wi-Fi to 2.4 GHz. Log into your router, open a web browser and go to 129.168.1.1 or 192.1868.0.1. Then enter your admin username and password found on the router label or provided by Spectrum. Go to the wireless settings. Once logged in, navigate to a wireless or Wi-Fi settings section. Find the band section. Look for a dual band section or wireless network. 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Enable or separate the 2.4 GHz band. Make sure the 2.4 GHz band is enabled. Change the SSID, the network name, to something different like home Wi-Fi _ 2.4 to easily identify it. Save changes. Click apply or save to continue the change. Review devices. Reconnect any devices. On your device, go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the 2.4 GHz network that you have just configured. Now you know how to change Spectrum Wi-Fi to 2.4 GHz. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.